Artificial intelligence. Why does that phrase just make so many of us feel uneasy? This headline kinda says it all, right? But what are we actually afraid of here?
So, this scary feeling? It's not just one thing. It really starts with our jobs.
Yep, the first big fear is all about the economy, our jobs, our financial security.
It's the question everyone's thinking. And look, the data shows it's not just paranoia.
40%. Some studies say that's how many jobs could be seriously impacted by automation.
But check this out. The risk isn't the same for everyone. It's really about the type of work.
Okay, so this job anxiety, it balloons into a much bigger fear, losing control of society.
This is all about algorithmic bias. Think of it as our own prejudices, but supercharged by code.
And look where it's already happening. Hiring, loans, social media. It's shaping our lives right now.
So we have a choice: our flawed human judgment or these biased algorithms we can't even see inside. And that brings us to the biggest fear of all. I mean, the really big one: existential risk.
See, we're on a path. From the narrow AI we have today to something way, way smarter.
And that is the question, isn't it? What happens when we're not the smartest ones around anymore?
So, let's pull back the curtain on this silicone specter. Turns out it's really three fears in one.
First, there's that fear of losing our economic purpose, of just not being needed for a job. Second, we are afraid of losing our autonomy, of secret algorithms making our choices for us. And last, the fear of losing our spot at the top, of creating something we simply can't control. Which leaves us with one last question. Is this specter a monster we're building, or is it just reflecting us?